In today's video, I will walk you through how to put your picture on zoom when camera is off. To set your picture on zoom when your camera is turned off, start from your zoom dashboard. Look at the top right corner of the screen and click your profile icon. This is the small circular image or initials that represent your account. After clicking the profile icon, a menu will appear. From this menu, select Profile, and then click My Profile. When you select My Profile, Zoom will open your profile settings in your web browser, where you can make changes to your account information. Once your profile page loads, locate your current profile icon. Click on the profile icon to edit your picture. This is the image that appears next to your name when your camera is turned off during meetings. After the edit view opens, click Change. Zoom will show you two options for updating your picture. You can either upload a picture from your device or take a new picture using your camera. If you choose to upload a picture, select the image you want to use from your computer. Choose a picture that shows you clearly. A portrait-style image works well, with your face positioned in the center of the photo. After selecting your picture, Zoom may display a cropping tool. Use the cropping option to adjust the image position and make sure the picture is framed correctly. If you choose to take a new picture instead, your browser may request permission to use your camera. Allow the camera access, then position yourself for the picture. Make sure the image appears the way you want, and capture the photo. Once you are satisfied with your picture, click Save. This will apply your new profile picture to your Zoom account. Your profile photo is now set. Whenever your camera is turned off during a meeting, this picture will appear next to your name, instead of showing a blank silhouette. To update your picture, you can return to your profile settings at any time. Click your profile icon, select Change, and choose a different image or take a new picture. When selecting your picture, a simple background and good lighting can help make the image clear. Square or nearly square images fit well, and common image formats such as JPG or PNG can be used. After saving your new profile picture, the change will usually appear in new meetings. If you do not see the update immediately, wait a moment for the change to appear across Zoom. Your Zoom profile picture is now updated and ready to display whenever your camera is off during meetings. Thank you for watching.